We're doing a speed run today. Yeehaw, 1986 Honda ATC 250 ES Big Red. This thing is the old Honda workhorse utility. I've had this thing over 15 years, traded car parts for it. Today we're going to see how fast it goes. Got 22-inch tires, never been opened up, engine's never been worked on. My son has recently broken the exhaust, so she's loud as hell. Well, looks like the top speed we recorded on this one was 42. Fouled spark plug at the end of the run. That's what happens when you run with a broken exhaust. This thing is all OEM inside. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. At least hit that like button. Always appreciate the support you guys give. Y'all are great. This thing's gonna need a little bit of work, a little bit of love, like a spark plug and a couple other things. But for 22-inch tires, not bad.